Welcome to Tony's Tractor Adventure.
Here at the 2018 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're checking out the new contenders here, the Lovols. They're a brand out of China. I've really been impressed with the tractors just looking over at their build quality. They use a Shibara Japanese engine, which is known for its quality. So take a look around with us. Now we're going to look at the Lovol TE354. It's a 35 horsepower four-wheel drive tractor with climate control cab, coming in at $16,699. That is unbelievable. 2-year warranty, bumper to bumper. Available loader with a quick disconnect, and it's a scaled down version of its big brother we just looked at. But you can see again the heft of this tractor. Very impressed with how big and heavy the axles are for the size horsepower. You know, we're looking at the kind of weight that you would think of in an older tractor. How older tractors used to be built so heavy. This thing is a cast iron front and rear, cast iron engine. Just a beast of a tractor for the price point. And I'm sure they'll go up as they get more known, but they're really coming into the market. It's all metal fenders, all metal hood. Another look at it in a little different distance, and we'll go and check the cab out on this one as well. Alright, we'll go ahead and look in this. Tractor is very clean, very ergonomic, and everything is it's metal. It's all metal. 35 horsepower. Doesn't seem to have a radio, but it's never been a killing point for me anyway. It does have the stuff that's important, which is front and rear windshield wipers, and this has climate control and front defrost. The 35 is even easier to work on. Again, I see a solid cast iron engine. Battery's easy to get to. Radiator's easy to get to and clean. It's got the guard for the two individual guards for cleaning the radiator. Got good high ground clearance for a 35 horsepower tractor. And again, this one can come with the front end loader and the quick attach for the front end of the front end loader.
To January of 2018, that Wang provided, but we don't have an actual.
I'd like to take this time to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe.